OK OK，这样子，我在车里面这边我拿东西这样。Oh, hi! Welcome back to this racing. You see this, right? Right here, this is a Honda Civic Type R FL5. And this owner, he has arranged with us to help him install parts that he ordered lah, okay? So, hey, come over here, come over here. So first, we have NVIDIA downpipe and NVIDIA mid pipe, right? After an owner change this, it's gonna increase more power, right? And next, we also have this, the PRL turbo inlet pipe set, right? Yes, the full set right here lah. And last but not least, the PRL cold air intake. This one. It has the full set everything, right? So if anyone want us to help them install parts for their Honda Civic Type R or any other performance car, you can contact DC Racing one. If anybody wants to install the performance parts, downpipe, intake, whatever, can come here at DC Racing lah. You can find me lah. I'm Travis from DC Racing lah.